So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And Mira Murati's Thinking Machines has released a new open source LLM that is Inkling, open weights, ready to tinker. And looking at the benchmarks, the model is at par with GLM 5.2, if not more than that. So, it is one of the best open source LLMs that has been released with about 1 trillion parameters. Now that's huge, and running that locally is not feasible for everyone. So, what's the solution? You can try the model for free on their own platform. Try in Tinker. As you can see, this is a playground on my screen where you can test out the model. You can change the reasoning efforts, high, medium, none, max token outputs. You can play around with a lot of parameters. So let's get started. Let me ask it a few questions before we wrap this up, and I'll be sharing the link in the comment section also so that you can try out the model for free. This is the best open source model out of China, and hence it is in the range of the best LLMs right now. Hey, who are you? Now I've done reasoning effort as medium. My name is Inkling, a multimodal AI created by Thinking Machines Lab. I'm the company's first open weights model. Cutoff is April 2026. My context window is about 256,000 tokens, that is 256k tokens, though I was trained with up to 1 million. Now let's increase the reasoning effort. What do you think of death? Let me see that it's able to answer this deep question or not. It's very fast, quite sure. As an AI, I don't have consciousness, feeling, or a lived life, so I don't experience death. But I can say that death is one of the most consequential concept human grapple with, etc. etc. It is given a philosophical answer. Now I want to ask the same question but zero reasoning efforts. Let me see what does it output now. I still learn subjective feelings or alive, so I don't experience death personally. You can change out the max token length also. You can ask questions around mathematics. 2 minus 9 plus 0 minus 7. I haven't hit any limits yet, and it's one of the best LLMs right now, very equal to GLM 5.2. So do try it out for sure. The link is in the comment section below. And I think it's a breath of fresh air because now it's not coming from OpenAI or Anthropic or Mistral. This is completely a new company that has brought in an LLM which is completely free to use on their platform. So it might give you a new perspective also. Here you can see that has solved the mathematical equation for us quite correctly. Lot of things are there. System prompt you can change. Web search is enabled. Docs, session, project, home, manage API keys also. Can you create a API key too? Let me check it out. Add an API key. I think that should be paid for now. Test. Generate key. I've copied this. Are we allowed to use the API key for free? I'm not sure. Usage. Cost so far this billing period, token this period, checkpoint storage. I think even if I'm able to create the API key, I might not be able to use it, but that's fine. This is how you can create the API key also, and you can play around with the model on the playground. The link is in the comment section below. Do try it out. I've already covered the different details of Inkling, its benchmarks in the previous video. Do check it out and let me know in the comment section how do you compare it with GLM 5.2. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.